Okay, now number 7, we have here two mixed number with dissimilar fractions. Magkaiba na po yung kanilang denominator. So how do we do this? Okay, we can use method number 1, yung diniscuss po natin kanina. We can convert these two first into an improper fraction. So how? We get, copy the denominator 5. Next is 5 times 2 plus 3, we will get 13. Again, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Next one, minus the second fraction, which is 2 yung denominator. 2 times 1, we get 2 plus 1, we get 3. Okay, I repeat, 2 times 1 plus 1, we get 3. Therefore, magiging improper na po yung dalawa. Aside from this, we need to get the LCD. Okay, yun po yung second step natin dito. Let's get the LCD. Ano po ang LCD ni 5 and 2? Okay, ano yung least common multiple nila? We have 10. Okay, now 10 divided by 5, we get 2. And then, multiply lang po natin sa 13, we will get 26. Next one, 10, our LCD divided by the original denominator 2, and then we will multiply to the numerator 3. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, times 3 is 15. Okay, ganun po yung pag-convert natin. Now, let's now subtract. Since parehas na po ang numerators nila, denominators nila, subtract lang natin ang numerator. We will get 11 over 10. Can we still simplify this? Hindi na po. Ito na po yung kanyang simplest form. But can we convert it into a mixed number? Yes. Okay. Kung kailangan po nating i-convert into mixed number according sa instruction po ni teacher, okay, madali lang po. All you have to do is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So kung i-divide natin si 11 by 10, ilang 10 po ba ang kakasya kay 11? Isa. At ano po yung magiging remainder? Isa din po. So it's just 1 and 1 over 10. I repeat, 11 divided by 10 is 1. Ang remainder niya is 1. Yun po yung magiging numerator at ang magiging denominator is the same. Okay, copy lang po natin. Now, to use method number 2 in this example, ulitin ko po, i-add lang natin or i-subtract lang natin yung mga whole number parts, and then you just follow the same step po sa ating mga fraction parts. Okay, so since this is subtraction, pwede nating i-stack muna siya and then we will get the difference of these two. Pero paano po pag magkaiba yung kanilang denominator? Okay, just like before, all you have to do is to get their LCD. Ano po ang LCD ni 5 and then 2? Their LCD is 10. Okay, now 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 3 is 6. Ganun din po dito, 10 divided by 2, the denominator times the numerator 1 is 5. Therefore, magiging similar fractions na po yung mga fraction part natin. Now, let's now subtract yung mga whole numbers. We have 2 minus 1, we get 1. And then 6 sa numerator minus 5 sa numerator ng second fraction, we get 1 over 10. So, it's 1 and 1 over 10. Ganun lang po. So, bahala na po kayo kung anong mas madaling method sa inyo when it comes to adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Now, in example number 8, we are now dealing with decimal numbers. Remember, rational numbers can be in decimal form.